Guys, and welcome to this video. We have 2 divided by 4 over 2 times 4. We can write this expression 2 over 4, and is this line gives us 1 division and 2 times 4 in parentheses. So according to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this expression in this way. First, parenthesis, then, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. So, according to this rule, we have one parenthesis here that we have to solve it first. 2 times 4 gives us 8. And now we have 2 over 4 divided by 8. And according KCF, that is keep first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. So this expression is equals to keep first fraction 2 over 4, change division to multiplication, and flip the next fraction. 8 over 1, 1 over 8. So we can simplify this expression. 2 divided by 1 gives us 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. Now we have 1 times 1 gives us 1, and 4 times 4 gives us 16. The final answer is 1 over 16. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.